So now we have our percent grid, and let's look at an application of how we find the percent of a number. A company had $360 in profits. Manny earned 65% of those profits. So Manny earned 65% of 100% of the profits. How much money did Manny earn for the company? So what we want to find in this problem is 65% of $360. To do this, we look at our grid. When we say 65%, we mean 65 out of 100, which is right here. So when we compare 65 to 100, 65 is right here. So now the question is, when we compare 100 to 360, what number is going to be matched up with 65? And it turns out that 234 matches up with 65. So when we ask the question, 65%, what is 65% of 360? Our answer is going to be 234. So $234 matches 65 on the scale. So then what we can say is that 65% of $360 is going to equal $234. So we can say that Manny earns $234 for the company. And again, what we did was we said 65% matches up with 100 in the same way that 360 matches up with what number? Or another way of saying it is 100 matches up with 65 in the same way that 360 matches up with what number? And when we look at the grid, we find out that that number is 234. So 65% of 360 is going to be 234 because 234 on the left grid matches up with 65 on the right grid. So 65% of $360 is $234.